go ahead and open it.
What's this? Oh! Wait, what is it? Oh, shihtzu. That's funny.
Mm-hmm.
There's a note in there.
There's a note in there you should read.
Oh.
In the bag. Read it out loud.
Wait. We know how much you want your very own puppy. We told you that we'd wait until you turn 9, but you did such a great job on your book report about shihtzus. We are so proud of you.
Doing.
Of how well you're doing in school. We decided that if we take care of this stuffed shihtzu, we will get a real shihtzu, maybe even before summer. This is a trial to be sure you will be responsible. We love you to the moon and back, Mom plus Dad. That's a lot of reading.
All right, so you have to take care of that like it's a real puppy.
You gotta like take it out in the morning when you get up, and when you get home from school.
So
Okay,
today's
so-
the first day, so you gotta take it outside.
Not right now. I'm not taking it out right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you had a real puppy, you'd have to take it out in the rain. Take it out.
Oh, can
Come
I
on.
go to the garage?
No.
At least.
How about, no, you gotta go out for a minute. Put your rain jacket on. Put some boots on.
Let's go on the porch. How about that?
No,
No, you need to go out in the yard.
you can't take a real puppy out into the garage. You can't take a real puppy out into the garage.
I finally get away. What? Mom? Are you a shihtzu? Really?
Yeah. Come on.
Good trial.
Yay. It looks like he's an adult or something.
Here, sit down. Sit down on the bench.
Wow. So cool.
We gotta still name
Hmm.
him. Looks kind of similar, huh?
Maybe we should name him Fluff.
Well,
Yeah.
they look alike, don't they?
Or what team will we be on? You know, what's it called? What team?